Hello everyone, welcome to all in this video lecture series of Database Management System. I am Deepak Aneja, Assistant Professor, ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. This video gives the complete course description of AK2U subject Database Management System. Subject code is BCS 501. This is the complete detailed syllabus of database management system in which there are 5 units. First one is introduction, second is relational data model and languages, third one is database design and normalization, fourth one is transaction processing concept, and fifth one and last is concurrency control techniques. In the unit 1 introduction, we will cover these topics: introduction to database management system, what is data, what is information, basics of database management system, comparison between file system and database management system, history of database management system. Then we will cover the data models, various data models like hierarchical, relational, object-oriented, and object relational model. Then we will understand the concept of database system architecture, in which we will cover database independence, phases of database design, then application architecture we will cover, in which single tier, two tier architecture, three tier architectures, then database schema, ER model concept, in which we will understand the concept of entities, attributes, and relationship. Then we will cover the advanced ER concepts like cardinality ratio, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship, and many-to-many relationship. Then there will be the introduction of various keys like primary key, super key, candidate key, foreign key. Then we will understand the concept of referential integrity, then extended entity relationship diagram like specialization, generalization, and aggregation concept. Then we will understand the concept of ER models, ER diagrams to relational table. How we will convert this ER diagram into relational table. This unit will be recorded by Mr. Vivek Srivastava. Second unit will cover the relational data model and languages, in which we will understand the concept of relational data model, constraints, entity integrity constraint, referential integrity constraint, then database keys, concept of candidate key, super key, foreign key, then relational algebra. In this relational algebra, we will understand the concept of operators. There are two types of operator, basic operator and derived operator. In basic operator, we will understand the projection, selection, cross product, union, set difference, rename. These are basic operator. Derived operator, which are derived through these basic operator, in which we will understand intersection, division, and join. Then further, we will understand the concept of natural join, equijoin, self join, and these are inner join and outer join. Here is left outer join and right outer join and full outer join. In relational algebra as well as in SQL. Now extended relational algebra operators. Now in this unit, we will cover the complete SQL, introduction to SQL, SQL statements, database languages like DDL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, data control language, and transaction control language. In this, we will cover the create command, alter, drop, truncate, rename, and comment. In DML, this is data manipulation language. We will cover insert, delete, and update. In DQL, we will cover the select queries with clauses. In DCL, data control language, that is grant and revoke command. In TCL, transaction control language, we will cover commit, rollback, and save point. Then we will understand the concept of views and index in SQL. We will understand the queries, subqueries, joins, group by, having clause, where clause, like operator, group functions, all we will cover in SQL this unit. But in the last, we'll understand the concept of PL/SQL, programming language using SQL structured query language, in which we will cover the basic program, how to write the basic program in PL/SQL. Then we will understand the concept of loops, cursor, procedure, and trigger. This unit will be covered by Mr. Ayush Agarwal. In unit number 3, database design and normalization, we will understand the concept of database design and normalization, understand the concept of functional dependency, understand the concept of attribute closure and how to find out the candidate key, then equivalence of two FD set, then how to find out the minimal cover, minimal set of functional dependency and canonical cover, normal forms, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, Boyce code normal form, fourth normal form that is also called multi-valued dependency, and fifth normal form that is joint dependency with the examples. Then practice question of how to find out the highest normal form. Then we will understand the concept of decomposition, what is lossy decomposition, lossless joint decomposition, and practice questions on lossless joint decomposition. That this unit will be covered by myself, Deepak Aneja, and in unit number 4, transaction processing unit, we will cover the concept of transaction processing concept, asset property. Asset property means atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Then we will understand the concept of transaction states. Then we will understand what is serializability, conflict serializable and view serializable schedule, then recoverability of schedule, in which we will cover what is cascadeless schedule and strict schedule, then recovery from failures, log-based recovery, in which we will cover deferred update, immediate update, and concept of shadow paging. Then what is checkpoints, then deadlock handling, prevention of deadlock, then distributed database management system. This unit will be recorded by Mr. Ritin Bahl. In unit number 5, concurrency control techniques, in which we will cover the basic what is concurrency, how to control the concurrency using protocol. Then we will understand the concept of log-based protocol, in which we will understand the concept of shared log, exclusive log. Then we will understand the 2PL protocol, two-phase locking protocol, then time stamping protocol for concurrency control, validation based protocol. Then we will understand the concept of multiple granularity that will be used on tree structure, then multi-version schemes, then recovery of concurrent transaction, and in the last, case study of the Oracle. This unit will be covered by Ms. Sonia Verma. These are the references that are prescribed in the database management system syllabus. Korth is very good book. CJ Date, Navathe, O'Neill's databases, and Vipin C. Desai. These are some reference books that are followed for database management system. Thanks for watching this video.